Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which is related to the section 153C assessments. Whenever a search is conducted on an assessee, that is termed as searched assessee, then the assessment of that assessee is completed under section 153A when the search is conducted before 1st April 2021. And those assessees whose material are found in the search of the searched assessee, the assessment of those other assessees are completed under section 153C, and the assessing officer of the searched assessee has to prepare a satisfaction note, and in that satisfaction note he has to mention in that satisfaction note that the incriminating material for the various years and what incriminating material for various years have been there, and that satisfaction note is to be given to the assessing officer of the non-searched assessing officer, and on that basis the assessing officer of the non-searched assessee prepares a second satisfaction note that yes, these documents relate to my assessee, and then he opens the assessment under section 153C. In this case, the issue was that whether that satisfaction note should be prepared year-wise, and in that satisfaction note whether the incriminating material for each year is to be referred, or if the incriminating material only to one assessment year is referred, then whether the assessing officer will get the power or the jurisdiction to issue the notices for the other years also. This issue has very well taken by Honorable Delhi High Court in the case of Dev Technofab Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax and another, and this case is reported in 471 ITR at page number 423, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court on 24th May 2024. In the present case, when the satisfaction note was prepared by the assessing officer of the searched assessee, then in that satisfaction note only the reference was there to the incriminating material for the assessment year 1920. But on the basis of this satisfaction note, the assessing officer of the non-searched assessee issued the notice for the assessment year 14-15 to assessment year 2021. The assessee challenged these notices in the Delhi High Court through a writ petition that since the satisfaction note pertains to only 1 year, so all my assessment year should not be opened, and this satisfaction note is defective, so these notices should be quashed. When this matter was heard by Delhi High Court, the court said that in the present case, the satisfaction note only refers to the incriminating material related to the assessment year 1920. So the issuing of the notices under section 153C for all the assessment years is not as per the mandate of section 153C, and the court quashed all the notices for the assessment year 2014-15 to assessment year 18-19 and for the assessment year 2021, and held that the notice for the assessment year 1920 is valid because the satisfaction note clearly mentions the incriminating material about the assessment year 1920. Friends, this case is very important because on the basis of just the satisfaction note, and since the satisfaction note was not referring to the incriminating material for all the years, the notices for various years were quashed, because when a search is conducted, then there is a lot of pressure on the revenue also, because a lot of assessees are involved, and they do not do their homework properly for collecting the incriminating material and doing their homework that which incriminating material relates to which year. So without doing this exercise, they issue the notice in a casual way. So whatever the notices are issued in a casual way or without recording the satisfaction note year-wise or the year-wise details in one satisfaction note, those notices are not valid. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Dev Technofab Limited versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 471 ITR at page number 423, and the matter has been decided by Honorable Delhi High Court on 24th May 2024. Thank you, friends.